Good morning, guys. It's another day. So I wake up now. You see how my face oily. I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna wear. My brother Fabian, he's gonna take us to the beach. Well, they say we're gonna go on go boat like, and then we're gonna you know. So here, guys, my daughter is in bed. I'm trying to figure out what to take to the beach. So I have this in mind, a hat, and I'm gonna pack my little beach bag because this kind of match this. I mean, auntie brought this from Florida. I'm gonna pick up this at the dollar store.
Oh, look, we're keeping it warm.
Oh, you make a lot. Oh, my auntie makes a lot of pancakes. We're gonna make eggs
And bacon.
and bacon.
And turkey bacon. Real bacon. This is real bacon.
That's pork bacon.
Yes.
Oh, I don't touch the pork.
So you say you're gonna do the scrambled egg, right?
Guys, I'll come back when breakfast is ready. I'm gonna change my bath suit because my sister Kavita, she's wearing the black and white. I decided I'm gonna wear the black and white too. So I have this cover over, and I have this I got from this come from Shein. All right, I don't remember if I buy it from Shein or I got it at the Value Village, but it's new, or it come from Shein, I think so. But it's Shein. All right, so I'm gonna wear that and my glasses, and this is hat from the Dollarama. So so me and my family swim out there. So I saw one of people are walk in front of me. Right there, so guys, we're going out the corner. The car lock.
Your dream shot.
Yeah, we don't know what to be. That means
Hear this
talk your story.
Say, alright, hear the man downtown. Beg you someone see a foreigner man, see suitcase where you got there. Even though even my foreigner them come and take that suitcase. Them inside.
We just relax on the beach. Next one over there, so. And we have some other beach. So guys, we're relaxing on the beach. As you can see. Hey, we're having a great time. What's the sea done? All are swimming. I'm making a sandcastle. Look at this one. This is there. Kevin, I want to post. Swim now. We're going to water. We're not island tourists. Give me this. Let me hold this. I'm going to water. You have to watch them. No, me watch. Where are you not? Aruba. Hey. So, bucket a swim, Kevin. I'll know water not touch you. I cannot swim. Come down. Get a little duck. Get a little go down. Look up here. Come here, man. Come here. Yeah. Wait, I get you. Okay, hold on. Alright, guys, this is the view we have going on here. You can float. Go ahead and float. Float. Alright guys, just a little bit more clip. My brother is here, Fabian. He came to swim with us. Beautiful sand.
You want to have a full one? You want to be
Bala you out far, man.
you sunburn.
You got sunburn?
I'm
Dip in our water. Me use a lot.
Dip in our water, yeah.
Look how Kevin a back burn up. Dip down in our water.
So quick.
You're hot.
I'm hot.
You're hot.
Baby, I make a float now. I want to talk about that. This is my brother, Loki. I'm safari. I go Belgium. Make a dive with them, Belgium. Show them where with your country or your dive. Make a dive. All right. Look the one. Yeah. Look at. Hey. That's my brother swim gun. That's a guy's his swim gun. That's him swimming away. All right. Kevin, I said, come back, Fabian, come back. Hey! If I laugh, I turn over. You know your backside. Guys, look how me black already. Jesus. Me I get sunburned, guys. Woo! Give me look how me black already. Mark, you know me turn so quick to me. Huh? I no picture, I want a video. So we no video them already kill me. Look here. 360. Look here.
Tell me now where you get to the Gucci?
Kakaraki.
Oh, man, you look like you really cool.
Me have one of that. I'm a
Look from behind. One down with one side. I'm a sorry, you have the fashion. No, sir. $900 one year. I think we see you with you.
a video, me a video. Give me a swim. How the hell you do, Kimi? Man, you turn over. Yes. She said when she ever get swimming lesson.
I'm going to show you something. Hold on, stand up. Alright? That's the first step you do. Second step, you do like this. Look the foot. And then you use the hand paddle. Look at the foot.
You got the paddle.
Down. Up, down. I use your hand like this.
No, you have to hold her and make she do it first and then you have to take time and let her go.
First step. Come again. Don't be shy. Right here.
Paddle now, son.
I come from Florida.
She not care at all about that.
That's what's gonna be. No, turn your face to your mommy.
No, that's okay.
No, tell her to
You gotta swim too. Brace yourself up.
let her go, baby, and let me see if she can hold her.
She have a
She
sing.
have to sing. She have to practice.
Go one day,
She
can
have to swim for your life, Zoe. Shark is coming. Swim.
Yes, turn your foot.
Yes, Zoe. Swim away. Shark is coming, Zoe. All right, Zoe. Good job, Zoe.
Alright,
Come,
sorry.
Zoe. Alright guys, so I just walked the beach a little bit. I guess you can walk all the way around, even though the hotels are right there. You can still walk the beaches, guys. No hotels in Aruba here, as my brother says. They don't own any beaches, alright? No beach side. So even though they have the hotels, they have access to the hotels, but they're not owned by them. So as you can see, regular people, anybody, hotel people, tourists, everybody, guests, mingle together, alright? One thing, you can't touch the hotel stuff, like the chairs or beach towel or whatever they have, but you can bring your own stuff, alright? So I am back now, and this is me, guys. Yay. It's so nice here. Aruba style, Arubian style, so they say. Alright guys, I'll see you later. See you later, guys.